Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change the language on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's official website at linkedin.com. Once there, log into your account using your email and password. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the Me icon. This is represented by your profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Once you're in the Settings area, navigate to the Account Preferences section. You'll find this option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to expand further settings. Now, scroll down until you see the Language option under the General Preferences category. Click on it, and a list of available languages will appear. Simply choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Once selected, LinkedIn will automatically reload in the language you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn language settings. This simple adjustment allows you to navigate and interact with LinkedIn in a language that suits you best. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your LinkedIn experience.